What are exports?
Exports. Goods and services made by producers in one country and supplied to consumers in another country.
Imports. What are those?
Goods and services purchased by consumers in a country from producers located overseas.
Visible and invincible trade.
Invincible.
Invincible trade. Business transactions that occur with no exchange or tangible goods. Invincible trade involves the transfer of non-tangible goods and or services, including customer service, intellectual property and patents. The items involved in invincible trade are associated with a value and can be exchanged with tangible goods. Thank you.
Visible trades involve trade in physical products, including natural resources such as crude oil and timber, parts and components for using the production of goods, and finished products such as machinery, clothes, cars, and processed foodstuffs. Trading goods or merchandise is called visible trade, simply because visible exports and imports can be seen.
Balance of trade. It is simply the difference between the value of exports and the value of imports. The balance of trade denotes the differences of imports and exports of merchandise of a country during the course of a year. It indicates the value of exports and imports of the country in question.
The current account. Each month and year, a government will collect statistics of the balance of payments on current account to monitor how well or how badly the national economy is doing in international trade, in goods and services, and other flows of incomes and transfers to and from other countries. The current account for the US economy therefore records the following. It records visible trades in goods. It records invisible trades in goods, in services I mean. And it records income received or made in payment for the US factors of production.
It also records current transfers, which include payments between governments for international cooperation and other transactions that involve no direct payment for productive activity. Debits will include gifts of money, charitable donations, and pension payments paid to the residents of other countries. Taxes and excise duties paid by the U.S. residents on goods and services purchased overseas. Membership contributions to the budgets of international organizations such as the International Monetary Fund and World Trade Organization. Credits will include gifts, charitable donations, and pension payments received from the residents of other countries. Taxes and excise duties paid by the residents of other countries on goods and services purchased in the USA.
Balance of payments. Visible and invisible exports and imports are accounted for by flows of money into and out of a national economy. However, there are also other flows of money into and out of an economy, including investments, loans, profits, and dividends on shares. All such monetary transactions between the residents of a country and the rest of the world over a given period of time usually every month and year, are recorded in the balance of payments for that country. The balance of payments for a country is usually split into three main accounts: the current account, the capital account, and the financial account. We will look at the structure of the balance of payments of a country using the USA as an example. Pample dample.
Dime, Alex. A component of a country balance of payment that covers claims or liabilities or to non-residents, specifically in regard to financial assets.